Hey everybody, welcome back to the Barndo channel. This is Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. On this week's episode, we're in Alto, Texas to bring you a final completed tour of the Sleepy Hollow Barndo. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath layout, a little over 2,000 square foot. I think we're right at 2,050 square foot with this build. This is a fully custom build. Our homeowner came in with a set of drawings that they liked and a build that they wanted to start with, and we took those drawings and turned it into what you're going to see today, which is a beautiful Barndominium from 1845. If you look at our exterior wall colors, we've got white for our exterior wall. Our roof color is burnished slate, and you're going to see a combination on the trim of burnished slate, and then around our windows, you're going to see white. Our windows are white exterior, white interior with grids in those windows. Some things that you'll see here, we've got exterior faux stone, and we've got interior stone to match it with our fireplace. We've got wrapped beams, wrapped posts. We've got stone wrap posts that you can see here. Just turned out to be a really beautiful build. What you're going to see is a lot of natural colors, and I think the homeowner did a really good job on the interior color selections here, and you'll see when we walk inside, it's just a beautiful build. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and do that now. You can leave questions and comments in the comment area below. Don't forget, ring that bell so that you can get notifications each and every time that we post content here on the Barndo channel. We do have our social media outlets. We've got TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. You can find us on those, 1845 Barndominiums, and of course our website. If you or anybody else you know is interested in making your dream home a reality, whether that's with floor plans, a turnkey build, a shell package, a kit package, whatever it is, we would love to talk to you about how to get that process started. You can visit our website, 1845barndominiums.com, go to the Get Started page and click on Request an Appointment. You can schedule an appointment with us, whether it's a phone call, in person, a Zoom meeting, and we'd love to talk to you about how to get the process started of making your dream home a reality with 1845 Barndominiums. So let's head inside and take a look at the Sleepy Hollow Barndo in Alto, Texas. All right, so as we head in the front door here, wanted to show you, you're going to see 8-foot tall doors as we go inside. So we've got the Texas Star here on the front porch, and then we've got our 8-foot tall front door. We do have side lights and transom window above. That's one solid unit there for the front door. So as we head in here, you're going to see natural colors. This is a beautiful interior on this house here. So this is a custom layout designed by the homeowner. And I'm just going to kind of give you a panorama of the layout here. We've got kitchen to our left, and you can see the light stain color. I think they did a really good job with their colors here, with the lighter color stain matching our plank floors, our vinyl plank floors. And then if I go up here, we've got vaulted ceilings here, and you can see the custom wrapped beams that we've got in the ceiling area. We've got one along the vault, and then we've got beams coming up the vault as well. So we do have a dining area there towards the back, and you can see that exterior door there to match the front door. And then we have faux stone fireplace here with built-ins on both sides. So that is a gas ignite fireplace. We have a hearth there, mantle above, and then I'm going to show you, we've kind of inset the TV there for them. And we've got stone all the way up to the ceiling. But I love the natural colors of this house, and as we go through, you're going to see that light stain color, and we've got that same light color stain on our beams, and then our floor and our countertop just blend all of this really, really well. So I'm going to take you through the kitchen. I'm going to spin you around and show you the front view. If I back up a little bit, just give you a view of the front of the house. Again, just a gorgeous view. We've got twin window here, looking out of the living room. Again, our big front door there. And if I come in a little closer, you can see we've actually got tongue and groove on this wall behind the sink here. And I just think the homeowner did a beautiful job here. So we've got refrigerator, freezer combo there. We do have our dishwasher and undermount farmhouse sink we've got there. We've got our flush countertop here. This is something that I did in my own home, and I just love the look of it. We actually have crank out windows here over the kitchen sink, and you can see we've got a beautiful view out onto the front porch. And I'm going to show you that tongue and groove. Hopefully we can see that tongue and groove pretty good right there with a pendant light hanging above that sink. And then if we come over here, we've got floating shelves on both sides of an Z-line oven range combo with our pot filler behind. You can see we did subway tile on the left and right, and then broke up that pattern with a different tile directly behind the oven range combo. And we've got stained wood for our vent hood there, and then sheetrock up the wall. Got lots of lower cabinets. I'm seeing a lot of drawers and pullouts on the bottom here. And then if I spin around and show you the island, we're going to have microwave inside the island here. And then we've got drawers also here on this side, and we've got overhang on the other side there. Granite countertops throughout the house. And we come over here, we've got kind of a wet bar area here with a ton of storage. You can see we've got cabinets up top, granite countertops, and then we've got a combination of cabinets and drawers on the bottom, but a lot of prep space and serving space here in the kitchen. And then we've got a little wine cooler, mini fridge under the counter mounted into the cabinetry there. Lots of electrical here. We've got our subway tile backsplash there as well. So while we're on this side, I'm going to go ahead and take you over to the 2-bedroom side. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So bedroom 2, we come over here, you can see we've got our vinyl plank floors. We did 8-foot tall doors, panel doors here. We've got single 6-foot tall window there. We do have grids in those windows. Granite in our window seals that matches everything else in the house. So here we did granite countertop here for an office space, desk base for our college student here. Some shelving up there. And then our closet doors, sliding closet doors to match the door to the room. We've got an accent wall painted here, light blue. And then you can see on the trim, we've got 1x4s and 1x6s, and we've got butted with an overhang. And again, I'm going to back up and just kind of give you a look at the 8-foot tall doors throughout the house, and you'll see that as we move around through the house. So if I come over to bedroom 3, pretty much same layout, single window here. We do have grids in that window as well. We've got desk space built in to match the other room. And we've got 2 accent walls here. Closet space. Let me flip this light on and show you the closet space here. We've got cubbies built in, as well as plenty of hanging uppers and lowers there, and then cubbies on the other side. And then so if we spin around, you can see we've got accent wall here as well. And then I'm going to head into the bathroom and show you what we've got here. I'm going to back up and kind of give you the entryway. We've got 8-foot entry. We've got tile floors, and you'll see that in the master bathroom as well. I apologize. We've got single sink vanity here, granite countertops. Then we've got cabinetry below, and then we do have cabinetry and storage above the toilet as well. And then there's the shower. So we have tile showers in the master and bathroom too. We've got fixed window there to let some natural light in. We took the tile all the way up to the ceiling. We've got shower niche there with ADA handrails if needed. And then we've also got foldable benches. Instead of built-in benches, we've got these foldable ADA benches, and we can put those away and have more space if we need. And we've got standard shower head here. But I love the tile color with the pebble floor. I'll show you the flooring here. I just think the entire house here is a beautiful color combination. I think the homeowner did a great job with the color scheme and the stain and everything on the interior. So we're going to back out of here and take you over across the layout. So I'm going to give you a view here from the 2-bedroom side, give you a really good look of this open area, open living area right here, and the beams. So fully vaulted all the way across the living, kitchen, and dining area. If I come over to the dining space, Got chandelier here with our twin window, grids in that window as well. Granite there on our window seal. A lot of people do wood. Homeowner here opted to go with granite. And then I'm going to take you in to the laundry slash pantry storage area. We've got an 8-foot tall barn door there. And you can see we've got countertop, shelving, cabinets. We've got a little bit of everything in here. So we've got some countertop space over here, and pantry space and storage space here. We did shelving on that side. We've got our washer and dryer stacked here. And then we've got a folding area, and we can put computer desk there if we wanted to. We could use that as an office space. We can use that as a folding table. And then we've got window above. And then we actually went up top and put shelving there as well. And I'll kind of pan around here and just kind of give you a look at the view from the inside. So tons of storage in here. And this is a broom closet that we've got by the exit here. And some more shelving storage in there. So now as we come out, we're going to head over to the master wing. And in the master bedroom, you're going to be able to see immediately we've got tray ceiling in there, up to 10 foot. We've got our LED can lights, just like in every room. Got 2 windows here, 2 single windows with grids, granite in our window seals. And then we put a fixed window here as well, just for additional natural light in this one. And each room has an accent wall. We've got a green color here, a light green for the accent wall here. And then I want to show you the entry into the master bath. We've got that 8-foot tall barn door. And again, I just love the stain color. I believe that light stain color, to me, is just really, really pretty. Gives it a real natural look, not too dark. And then this is first look at the master. We've got double sink vanity with cabinetry and drawers in between. You can see we've got toilet room there in the back. We've got our closet here. I'm going to show you this shower in just a second. But I want to spin around and show you the freestanding tub that we've got. And we did tongue and groove accent wall here with a little bit of shelving up top. So just kind of a top piece there for storage. But we've got a nice soaker tub freestanding right there that fits perfectly in that spot. And you can see our tile floors here. And then we've got tile shower to match what we saw in bathroom 2. So tile all the way up to the ceiling. We do have a rain head, shower head in this shower, and a standard shower head there. Fixed window for natural light. And then again, we have ADA handrails and then foldable bench there. So we can use them, but if we're not using them, we've got more space in the shower itself. And then our pebble floor in this shower as well. I just think it's a beautiful tile color, and the pebble floor, everything ties in really, really well. And then we've got our master closet, custom designed here. We've got tall hanging with shelves there. And then we've got uppers and lowers all the way around. And I believe behind the door here, we've got some cubby space there and some built-ins in the wall. And you can see the double sink vanities there. I love that cabinetry in between the tall, shorter drawers there, narrower drawers. But I just love how that divides the 2 sink vanities. And so that's going to wrap up our interior tour. I'm going to show you the view from the master before we get out of here. Again, this is 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, a little over 2,000 square foot, about 2,050 square foot, fully custom design. Homeowner came in with their own design on paper, and we just helped bring that design to life. I'm going to take you out and show you the back porch real quick. We've got a short, kind of a smaller back patio. We spent a little bit more on the front patio, but I wanted to give you an idea. They kept the stained wood on the post here. And you can see they're getting ready to move in. And so we've got this porch just as a lean-to porch that we've got back here. We've got soffits included there. We've got our wafer lighting included there. So just a small back patio. We can go out and grill and cook and come directly into the dining area. And then I'm gonna finish the video here by taking you out on the front porch, and let's take a look. But again, beautiful layout. I love the colors. I love the natural colors inside the home here. If we go out on the front porch, you can see the view that they were trying to capture here. We've got, I'm going to go up and show you how tall this gable is. We've got a tall gabled crow's foot area. We've wrapped those beams and stained them to match the interior. And then we've got lean-to porch on the sides, soffited there. We've got our burnished slate trim. Now our trim around the windows, you can see here, is white. And then we've got our stone color, natural color stone. Sorry about the shadows, but you can see that we've got a burnished slate trim piece across the top of that stone. And I'm going to come here and show you the stone wainscoting that we've got. White trim around the windows, white walls with a burnished slate trim. And that stone is just a beautiful, again, natural colors. And we've stone wrapped the posts and wrapped those porch posts all across the front and the carport area. So that's going to wrap up our tour today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, we're outside of Alto, Texas with a beautiful custom build from 1845 Barndominiums.